ever spent so much time scrolling through hundreds of reviews just to find a place for dinner? You see a 5-star rating, but you don't know if it's good for kids or if the service is fast. So this is review overload. It makes finding the perfect spot way harder than it should be. What if you had an AI that did the hard work for you? That's exactly what I built for my capstone project. I call it Culinary Compass, an AI-powered engine designed to turn review chaos into clear, actionable insights. So, how does it work to find the best nasi lemak in Shah Alam? It's a 3-step journey. Step 1. The live data. Culinary Compass starts by fetching live, up-to-the-minute reviews directly from Google Map Places API. This isn't a static data set, it's what people are saying right now. And step 2, the AI engine. This is the core of the project. Using LangChain, the AI analyzes every review in 3 powerful ways, which is first, sentiment analysis to understand the tone of the review. Second, structured summarization to create a simple list of strengths and weaknesses. And third, retrieval augmented generation or RAG to answer your specific questions based only on facts found in the reviews. So instead of reading all the reviews, you get a clean, simple summary with clear pros and cons. Okay, now let's see the Culinary Compass notebook. First, we install and import necessary libraries, which is LangChain, OpenAI, Faiz, Pandas, Plotly, LangChain Community, LangChain OpenAI. Okay, let's wait for it to be installed. That's fast. After we have installed, then we import the standard Python libraries and also the LangChain libraries. And after that, we use GetPass to securely get API keys. GetPass is the secure way to handle API key during development without accidentally exposing them. Okay. And the third section, we define the data structure, which we have to input restaurant name in string, review text in string, the rating in float, and reviewer name in string. And then the fourth segment, we run the fourth segment, which is okay. This is the function to fetch reviews from Google Maps. It works in 3 steps, which is text search, and then place details, and also format the reviews into the review data structure that we defined earlier. Okay. And then segment number 5. This is the core segment of the core of our application, where use AI to analyze restaurant reviews in 3 distinct ways, which is number 1, sentiment analysis. Okay. The analyze statement function determine whether the review is positive, negative, or neutral. It uses technique what we call as a few shot prompting, where it first shows the AI a few examples, like these examples, to teach what's the sentiment. And then number 2, the summary. We use summarize review function here, which use structured output prompt that force the AI to return a clean JSON object. Like here, the prompt, the JSON contain pros and cons and overall summary, and also recommendation score here. Okay, and the third one is the question answering with RAG. Okay, first we set up rec. It takes all the review text and convert into numerical representation called vector embeddings, and it uses FAIS. Use a FAIS store vector, which acts like a super fast search index. And then you can ask questions like, what do people say about the burger, let's say. And then the system first retrieves the most relevant reviews from the FAIS index. Then it feeds only those relevant reviews along with your question to the AI to generate a precise context-aware answer. So it will return facts only. Okay, let's go to segment 6, which, okay, here. Enter your restaurant search query. Let's ask best nasi lemak in Shah Alam. Okay, successfully fetched 25 reviews from up to 5 restaurants. And then we run segment 7. Okay, come up with the first capability, which is the NALE, Nasi Lemak Company. From the sentiment, it can detect it's positive for the first review. Second review also positive, but the third review is negative. It's quite nice, however, the portion of sambal is too small and I find disappointing. Okay, it's good at detecting the sentiment. And then segment 8, let's run segment 8. It comes out with a structured summary, which is the pros and cons. You can read here. An overall summary and also recommendation score based on the question, the best nasi lemak in Shah Alam. So we don't need to read all the reviews. You can just find what's the pros and cons. Okay, let's run the last segment, which is rec. Okay, let's ask based on nasi lemak in Shah Alam, which place has the best sambal. The AI answer based on the provided context. It seems like nasi lemak cikgu is highly praised for having a bold and additive sambar that is considered the heart of the dish. So if you like the best sambal, you go to nasi lemak cikgu. Let's ask again. Maybe this time we ask about burger. Best burger in Shah Alam. So it fetch reviews here, and then we run again to see which place has the best burger, which is Burger Ke Langit section 7, and it can detect positive, negative, positive. Okay, let's see the summary. Okay, the pros: delicious, affordable, generous portion, friendly staff, good hygiene standards. And the cons: some burgers can be soggy, long waiting times. And the recommendation is 9. Wow, I want to go there. Let's try ask again. Right, different question. What should I order from Burger Ke Langit section 7? So based on the reviews, you might want to consider ordering the crispy chicken burger or the panggang beef burger from Burger Ke Langit section 7. So when I go there, I know what I should order based on the review. I don't have to read all the reviews at the Google Maps. Well, you can see the impact is clear. Diners save time and make better choices. And restaurant owners also can get instant, honest feedback to improve their business. Well, this project is a solid foundation, but the future possibilities are even bigger. Like you can track food trends across the entire city, or sending real-time alerts to restaurant owners about customer issues. And the main limitation are the API costs and also the quality of the existing reviews, but the potential is huge. Well, that's Culinary Compass, everyone, which it using AI to help us find the food we love. You can go to my Kaggle and also read from my Medium blog here. That's it. I would like to thank you to Malaysia AI and Machine Learning community for conducting this Malaysia Gen AI Study Jam. It was a great learning experience that covered the fundamentals of Gen AI and also gave me the confidence to tackle the hands-on project. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.